uboroso bw'umugusi.
Moriele wensoko TV nko kwani kuranda onsia sore asomo goroboye gabweri tukeri gali ya merongo ebere na gatano ritukurio kubainyora basaye bari basiri tubugima bwabo engaki bari kurubikana so mwaka gwechile fuibere merongo ebere na kane amange aberega kwene kiwaseri tuko eriga kuru muchakano buga kiete 12 wekera bone iga na ndeno kugena kwane buna kwabere ko kubwatia yonsi kurubaga kiete wekera bone ngana ndi yarigire ensa eyamo yabono botuko engaki okanyora senchira yobwekera no buna aberega kwariganiwa eriyo kwene kya buna na nkwe manyore aliagendera ya itira nabo ayara chikubwati atusanga so bwamo wetera senchira yo mutanda wekerera sensemo ya Facebook nabo aria YouTube ensoko TV na mbema wasiliano na yarongonya gwetera ensabwo kurende nigere noti isano na ibere isano na isatu isano na isatu isano nemo isano nemo isano nemo isano nemo isano nemo isatu nabo konye gutuma ujumbe yage nyenge kitugandira tagusanga na kwenyora senchira yo wekera no asoboti kubwa bono Eliane Ishmael Mogere tiatu chake gusanga so bwamo. Asumu chakanobo tukobwa bono chinga kiritiko lya lero lyari ryo kubainyura bari bonsi abo basire tubugima bwabo engakiyo korobekana kwa basaye beke gorigya Gen Z omwaka bwechile fuibere merongo gebere na kane nigesa bari ntangani ya chaka gekoragwa n'abarayi bensemwe kwa mere serikali richiamate chiabaria basire tuabanchwa babo nigo babe kama uwa isiko ya maga bunge abwase nkwane yabarai abagi keirie serikali ekoragwa na Daktari William Samuel Ruto asoko tumia abasari erikoreta chibura buru gosarie nibo yabantu nabo igo kwirera abakenya gosiria obugema bwabo buneko bwatia.
Everybody needs to know those malicious people who may have arranged for goons to be in the CBD. We are not in the CBD. Any goon in the CBD belongs to the authorities, not to us. As I came from home, they've barricaded everywhere. I had to open my window at the Aga Khan to tell the police I need them to remove the stones for me to pass. I'm coming to Serena. I was not hiding. Again, they removed the stones at another barrier near the museum. And I told them we are peaceful. I'm coming to Serena. So there are such barriers. There is so much police presence. It is inconceivable that there can be any looting or any damage to property, yes, or any attack when there is so much police presence. So we are telling you, IG and your entire police force, we expect total cover and security as we go to lay the wreaths. We are Kenyans, we are taxpayers. We are not doing anything wrong. We expect this to be peaceful. And we assert our right to do those things because it's written in the Constitution. No. May I thank police for making the day so successful. When you barricade roads, you are enforcing the public holiday. So heko kwenu, lakini pia muweke usalama.
Yes. Yeah. This is a day when we come out to remember the lives of the young people who were taken. Ask yourselves what crime those young people committed. Just to say that life had become impossible for Kenyans, and because they talked with the government refused to listen. And instead of listening, they tear-gassed, they killed, and they maimed. If we were to stay behind and leave the victims to also stay in their homes, it would be a betrayal of the spirit of the young people. Mm-hmm. We are just coming out in solidarity. We are peaceful. We are not armed. Anybody with arms are not us or the families who are coming. anybody armed, let the nation know and the whole world know. If there are any armed groups, those are not the victims' people, those are not the leaders' people, those are the agencies, the government agencies. The government has been talking about knowing of goons being mobilized. I suppose that they know if that was true, they should have taken action to make sure that those goons don't gain access even to the CBD. So we're just coming in solidarity with the families and to tell this government that you cannot avoid accountability. All these barricades are meant to make sure that nobody comes here, nobody comes to the media, so that the government can hide behind the compensation they have given. Compensation is fine, but no money can buy any life. We must press for justice for those who were killed. The police officers and anybody who was involved must be taken and prosecuted.
Asense muyende erikubayinyura bari bonsi basiriti ubugima bwabo engaki okorobekaro kwa basaye bekegoriya Gen Z omwaka gw'ekile fubera 2024 cyamate cya bari basiriti abancu babo nigo baruro kubore gukiya se serikali kwene kibuna konyora barogwene bwabo nabo igo kwa bari bonsi bari abakagerwa na kubwatiranirwa n'ebikore by'unkwimukerwa bari egetambukiro egetidikeri chiko nigo baya kwa naya engaki bekera nabusi bwa magache bunge ase babe kamawa erikubayinyura abancu babo.
Hafla hii tunaandamana pia na waathirika na vile familia zao na wenzetu wengine ambao wako hapa, tuko pamoja as kama United Alternative Government.
Kwa majina naitwa Jacinta Nyango. Mimi ni mama Kennedy Onyango. Kennedy Onyango alina miaka 12. Mimi ama sisi tunataka justice. Tafadhali Mr. President. Tunataka justice. Nataka kuona serikali aliyeua mtoto wangu. Angalau nitamsamehe. Naomba serikali uko na mkono. Ingekuwa ni mtoto wangu ameandika kitu mbaya kukuhusu, ungesa mchukua na angesa tia sheria. Lakini ni yale wawa na mimi ni mtu wa chini na sina cha kufanya. Niko tu na siku ya kumkumbuka kama leo. Tafadhali leo tuache na amani, tukumbuke watoto wetu. Lakini ndiye nataka justice. Nataka kuona huyo mtu. Hata sitasema afungwe afanywe nini, lakini nataka kumuona. Tafadhali.
Thank you.
Kwa majina naitwa Caroline Mutisia, Mama Herrickson, kijana mwenye aliuliwa nje ya parliament. Kwa leo hii mimi nilikuwa nataka kuambia government, we just want justice from the government, above all accountability. Yes. So my son was killed today outside parliament. I came to honor my son. So nataka kuambia government, leo last time walitukataza, leo nataka tuende tuweke mahua pamoja na viongozi wetu wa hii nini.
Kwa majina naitwa Edith Wanjiko Kamau, mtangu naitwa Ibrahim Kamau Wanjiko, 19 years old, aliuliwa hapo nje ya parliament. Kitu mimi ningeomba tu serikali, polisi wote wenye waliua watoto, polisi wa uaji, mimi ningeomba wachukuliwe hatua. Ndio next time wasiendelee kuua, sababu since 2024 mpaka leo tuko 2026 kila maandamano wanaua. Sisi tunaomba tu justice, justice, justice. Hiyo tu.
Mimi ni Mama Kevin Odhiambo, jina yangu naitwa Phoebe Akumu. Mimi naomba tu serikali awache tu leo tuende tuweke mfulawa na mshumaa pale mtoto wangu aliuliwa. Mtoto wangu alikuwa bado anasoma. Alikuwa na 16 years. Lakini sasa hii ako na 18. Sasa naomba tu serikali awache niende nisimame hapo, nimweke kitu hata pale amelala atakumbuka. Hiyo tu ndio naomba.
Mimi naitwa Mama Jero. Mtoto wangu aliuliwa parliament. Huyo mtoto wangu alikuwa first born wangu. Sikuwa nategemea wengine yote. Alikuwa kazi mahali, alikuwa nisaidia. Tunaomba serikali justice wafanye kazi yake. Juu sasa sisi hatuna kitu tunaweza tegemea kwa dunia, tunategemea mtoto. Hata tupaguza machozi hata tufanye nini? Tunataka justice kwa serikali.
Kwa majina naitwa Mary Getitia, mamake ya Dennis Chege. Since 2024 June, mtoto wangu sijawahi mpata mpaka wa leo. Nauliza hao wenye watoto wao wako missing wako wapi? Sababu sijamuona since from hiyo wakati mpaka now it's 2 years down the line. Nani anaweza vaa hiyo kiatu yenye ndani yangu? Mwenye amevaa hiyo kiatu ndiye anajua ile uchungu yenye anapitia since 2024 up to now.
Kwa majina naitwa Jillian Munyao, mamake Rex Kajike Masai. Yangu ni kusema the killer cops, kama message yangu venye nasema. Compensation cannot replace accountability. Arrest the killer cops. That's the message to the government.
Tugotigara gabo ritkoria rero nigo ria bangire gucia koba eri okubenyera basabe kegori ya Gen Z au basiretie amagimabo abo asemichi ao ensemo ya basabe so kiena gokoro kurubikana eri kubenyera bamwe abo korende miyo mucho bosongo nigo botwerera ubwe kerengo kya igoro bwane kiwa asumu baromo nene bwa banyanyimbo renge ase chisemo ao imiyo mucho bosongo guika omogoroba oyoiga n'ubwonchorari kogendera buna botambe nonya abo mambya barenge no bwoba gokwana nabariki imiyo mucho bosongo nige gati abarandi kurasa orugongo rwa gusiba korwa na Bishop Lawrence Nyanuga batebene na ekitalichi ose echi talichi ngaki chokorobekana na kugania abana siasa gutyo wesona ni no korobekana chinga kechuba igo nigensemo y'abarundi chipipigi imiyo mucho bosongo na barabu bagokeire umurembe oyene kigwa anakuba kirambiyamo n'abananchi asogota isokia gokora korobekana uko buru musekirito Petuel Machini agotumanya asobwagare
Tariki 25 Mutinyo gatano nomo mwaka wa 2024 niko basabe kagoriya Gen Z bayesogetse na gukora kurubekana eri kwamerera muswada w'ekibesa entoke reta basabe bande gusirya magimabo na bande gutigara ne chinkoma chintindi Ritkuria rero nigo ria bangire gucho kubenyera basbo basirite magimabo asimichi ao ensemo ya basabe sokia na gukora kurubekana eri kubenyera bamwabo korende imemo chobosongo nigo botwerwe kerengo kigoro bwanyaka obokwene kiwasumoro monene bwa banyanyimbo renga chinsemo a imemo chobosongo wikemagaro bayeri tkuria rero na obonjire kogendera na botambe no nyabu mambe balingi no bwoba
Boniface yaro eri taribanyekene no mujeshi igondo mwanya biasara umurundi pipi ya somo cyobosongo litangani kabisa ndete gotebi abana ba mito n'abakori biasara bo mu cyobosongo mbiyamono esenge cyo murembe ba rokiria seri tukoria rero naende omurembe orekanire nonye biasara byarenge ensesenge cyo yobwoba omurembe orekanira so mu cyobosongo nendo atwara omugoko monene
Okwana barikime mocho bosongo mapema litsukuria rero nigagati abarandi kurorogongo rwa gusi bakorawa na Bishop Lawrence Nyanuga batabire tarichinga kichokorobekana na gokanya banasiasa wesona no korobekano kukwa basai kwa morembe
gantebe asa mana yako ya sesete ya Kenya asa bantali yengenja sengencho aba Kenya baita bange babale asemechando na mano asengencho yobo takabo abujire na nendo kene kiria sesete ya Kenya ngaki yabona iga economy yabere memono ekera bantu basoma na mano basweko gosalinde bya bantu babone gituka kya bantu yego tasale na mono ikonga mana matale yenge njasa bono iga
na onye bagokora keriyo segurunga maandamano abo baonchoke babwato morembe na mbabe siko buri magena bakunondo bakore biasara byae kiro muntu atwara omorembe naende basike bakorora basikari bagubota magena barente commotion eteyo babasiko imukia maberera tabwanireti goto asabire gusiya itetu aromorembe n'abanyasiasa baito baso asega team tubune biga asogosari ense yaito na gosari mu chito gusi
chingo kiche boigo nigensemo y'abarundi achipigipigi memo chobosongo bagokira omorembo yoenekiwa na kubakirambi y'abana inchi asogote soke okorokorobekano kwo
tuatume kirumono buna abana inchi naende ngaki yaikire bono ntwa banyene togochora barayi bari tuganeti asetebe minus gotumeku n'abana siasa bande bonsipi goitera amanyinga gosarie bintu byaito na boigo kudistabwa bangi n'abana biasara abakori biasara abega bagotoka isiko na kominyokani na barabo igote gotebya serikali itenene ne serikali ya county mbiamono esengiche gasiengia rero twajumishira amani serikali tera akonde bwensi ge kworokinga abantu mbare bagocha batumeka bobe bachegia serikali arafu abana baito banyara ko bakumia
ndo mwana biasara gali ogembo bono lakini ebinto ebinge tokoikuruga iga bosongo na nabwata obo bakoruma mbinga kinche ngende bosongo ninche nyore gento nkonyere customer cyane lakini anyorera saya beira tulivu igo togwakira abantu bomuchibo kisiga iga tokobatembia mono sana ase godumisha amani no murembe tiganya saba konye nande ntotume kunjere ndeons
aiga kurwa subo gatagati bomuchibo songo nigo bono abonchoria ao banyako bakogokera egetambukiro ase bono abantu batanya ko bagoisokia na kurikirania litko abasae basogetie omwaka bw'ikirubire na 2024 ase streets edo banyako bakorobekana kero baligetie kuriria igoro ya mangana ye finance bill bono nigo abantu banyako bakogokera egetambukiro kiga asabanyanyimbo babire kurumambia asinsemo yo muchibo songo na kikora kende gionsi gyokorobekana nginyatiko gyawikiraniwa reporteria Ensoko TV kurobo gatagati bomuchibo songo nchenkoro kwa Petuel Machin
engaki okorobekana kwagenderera imeyense erikuba inyore bari bonsi abo basiritu bugima bwabo engaki okorobekana kwa basabe kigoriya jensi omwaka bw'echile 2024 nigo monene bw'abanyanyimbo Douglas Kanja ni gaire buna onde bwensi na bwato bosibore okorobekana kwa morembe ne bitango binde byonsi tibiyo kurwa sensemo ya serikali chinga kiboigo agokera okorobekana kwa bakokorekana kore no botwero no morembe bwekerengo kegoro asensemo ya yomukonyi bwa monene bw'abanyanyimbo Masengeli ni gamentere goteba imbache ndera kurubo rendi gucyase abakorobekana na inde barene kirenga kerekia mono.
Our country is safe and secure. From the north to south, from east to the west, our country is safe and secure. Number two, today we know this is the day that the agencies wanted to do the remembrance of what happened on in the year 2024 June. And yesterday, even our CS came out very, very clear. They said that there is no one who is prevented from, demonstrating, picketing, because it is allowed by the law. As long as we follow what is allowed by Article 37 of our Constitution. And I'm happy to report that even in Nairobi town, I have seen Kenyans laying, leaf and flowers at Parliament there, and they were escorted by police and in a peaceful way. And I'm happy. I'm happy as the Inspector General because we want a peaceful country, all of us. And the security of our country is a collective responsibility for all of us. We cannot say that it's one part to ensure that we are secure. No. All of us, we must do whatever is reasonably possible to ensure that our country remains safe and secure. And that is the reason why I'm saying that right now I've been doing rounds, checking on how we are doing. And I'm happy to report that in all the areas that are affected, they are very okay.
Kuhakikishia kwamba tuko na usalama wa kutosha, wananchi wako salama, wanaendelea na kazi zao za kawaida kama kawaida. Jambo lingine nataka kusema ni kwamba nimeshukuru kwa sababu kila mtu ameheshimu haki za mwingine. Naona hakuna kari ya mtu inachomwa, hakuna pikipiki ya mtu inachomwa, watu wanapita wanaendelea kazi kama kawaida. Wana habari mko hapa pia mnanichukua. Na nasema ni asante. Sina jambo lingine la kusema, ni kuhakikisha sisi kama polisi ni kuhakikisha usalama wa kila mmoja wetu, kwa sababu everybody has got a right, but your right does not suspend other people's rights. So I'll request each and everyone to remain and confine within the rule of law as per the law. Hakuna watu tunasuia, watu wanaenda, wale watu kidogo moja mbili wale watakuwa na nia mbaya ya kutaka maybe kuhakaisha nyinyi kupita kwenu, ama wengine kutoendelea na biashara zao, ndio tutasema maybe hapo sheria itampata mwenyewe. Lakini peaceful demonstration tunashukuru kwa sababu sheria inasema wewe useme unataka kudemonstrate. Unataka kudemonstrate kwa sababu hii. Na leo tumejua kwa sababu walipresent. Hatuna neno. Wapresent, waende na wana haki ya kufanya. Vile tutawalinda. Tutawaescort, wakitaka bandi ya polisi tuwape, itawasindikisha na watakaa mzuri.
Goskobusio ayabwatikane no kurobekana kwa rero mu waziri we wizara y'oburendi bw'ime Kipchumba Murkomen nigaenekire buna abantu 155 nigo babikiru byara abwase county ya Nairobi bwato mu baro bwa bange au bare 150 noyomo geko bwatu ne county ya Kajiado 123 na boigo county ya Kiambu abare 35 noyomo bonsi babikiru byara nigo barachwikiwa bosio bwekigambero chinga kyomo waziri Murkomen airaneirie abakenya mbyemono ase okwenekigwa gose okwenekigwa kumoro so okwenekigwa gwokorobekana kwa marembe okwabo gokwenekigwa seritiko lya rero bune kubwatia.
Generally, I want to say that I commend Kenyans for the peace and going about their business. I also wish to report that no widespread cases of looting, vandalism, skirmishes or injuries were reported in the country in relation to today's demonstrations. This is not only commendable, but also testament to the maturity of our politics and governance. While the situation was relatively calm across the country, a few criminal elements attempted to commit diverse crimes in guise of staging peaceful demonstrations. Consequently, a total of 355 arrests were made in connection with the demonstrations, and this is a developing case. It could be more than the 355. Nairobi County accounted for the highest number of arrests, which is 161, followed by Kajiado, 123, and Kiambu, 36. Other arrests were reported in Murang'a, 12, Bungoma, 9, Meru, 6, Laikipia, 5, and Machakos, 3. While no arrests were reported from Northeastern, Nyanza, and Coast regions. They will be brought to court to face various charges of robbery, vandalism, road obstruction, and attempted stealing. It is also unfortunate that the Assistant Chief of Kariti Sublocation in Murang'a County, one Mr. Anthony Kadhungu, sustained injuries following an attack by a group of individuals who were attempting to erect a barricade in Kandara. He was treated at Kunduini Health Center and discharged in fair condition. I commend our security agencies for their commitment and dedication to maintaining law and order. They acted with utmost professionalism and responded promptly to concerns by wananchi. We salute them for their effective organization and meticulous planning. Politicians all over the country, as you know, and you saw them, tried to take advantage of this day, and they went about all over the country from yesterday, the day before, trying to say all Kenyans must come to the streets. And I think they saw it for themselves that Kenyans are tired. They are tired of political rhetoric. Kenyans would love to have such an opportunity when people are doing such commemoration. The most affected people and those who will stand with them in solidarity will not be doing so to milk political capital or to get political capital from it. Those who want to join them can go to a church service, can do as a protest, a symbolic protest along a particular road, can lay wreaths wherever they want to do so and be facilitated by police officers. I look forward to properly organized demonstrations.
Omugabara gwe county ya Homabay Gladys Wanga nigaesokire na gwakirambuye mono aba Kenya na bwigo abananchi mono bari bakuru ase county yaye asogotesoke chipara gukora kurubekana kurende batigara ase chinka cyabo iri kubayinyora bari bonsi basiriti ubugima bwabo ase nchira ya maskani. Wanga nigayakwa naya kuru ase county ya Homabay asaragire kiara bari bagwesonani asamangana yabasaye iri kwikirania ekerenga kyabo buna kwenyorera kibesa nebinde chinga ky'umugabara gwe county ya Siaya James Orengo agokere aliabaka wekeraniwa aseritiko eriga lya lero.
Tunataka nini? Tunataka power. Kwa hivyo leo nimeona wale watu wanatembea kwa maandamano. Mimi nataka nishukuru sana watu wetu. I want to thank our ODM fraternity because we said we are not going to participate in demonstrations whose meaning we do not understand. If it is commemoration as an ODM party whose children were harmed, whose members were harmed or died or something happened to them during the demonstrations, from the Gen Z demonstrations since 2017, to ensure that they are compensated. And I am happy that the Kenya National Human Rights Commission and the Makau Mutua Committee already yesterday began compensation for these families, and families who have been out for a long time kama ile ya Baby Pendo sasa wamepata compensation. Si kwamba itarudisha mtoto, lakini imeshughulikia ile loss ambayo walikuwa nayo. Hiyo ndio sisi tutashughulikia. Tutashughulikia mambo ya compensation ya hizo familia, lakini mambo ya kuenda kwa barabara kutafuta political relevance, hiyo hatuwezi ingia ndani. So today I've seen on the streets are two categories of people. Moja ni commercial activists, wale ambao lazima waende kwa street ndio wale donors wazungu waone ya kwamba wako kwa street wawatumie pesa. Hiyo ni category moja. Category ya pili ni political opportunists, wale ambao wanatafuta relevance kupitia ile maandamano ya Gen Z. Hao ndio kategori wawili wako pale kwa barabara. Lakini raia wa kawaida, wale Gen Z na watu wote wamekaa nyumbani, wameona ya kwamba tusukume hii maneno, kama utaki kiongozi ngoja mwaka ujao.
I must say overall today was a successful day and continues to be a successful day. We have reports of participation in this commemoration in the whole country. But I've noticed in town there are goons who have been organized and they're being escorted by the police to harass those who are standing together with the families in solidarity. This is contrary to what the assurances given by the Cabinet Secretary for Interior and the leadership of the police. Goonism, it is now clear without a doubt, is an agenda that has been propounded and implemented by the government. And I don't know what President Ruto wants Kenya to be. Having sent a policeman to Haiti, I would have thought that you would not want Kenya to be a...
Yamano, asoko endera kubwatia maya senchira yubwe. Kirano asoko tukubwa bono, asebono, nigotokura asiumiri chiduka, na nyuma yogo siumiri chiduka. Nengena nena yanda mange, toskare, ne TV yao.
Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso Bumugusi. Onye kubwateri bolyo obosemia gusekero kende gyonsiguro yemirobili yaitu Yensoko TV twakeresimi ase namba 0788666663 gose tulikiriri ukuri email ensokotv.ke@gmail.com. Boigo nabugo tutarira service ite gutoka samagacho hazina towers egoroba ya gatanu narimo asumucyo munene Nairobi. Ensoko TV, Oboroso Bumugusi. Chuo Kikuu cha Tangaza tumebobea katika kozi zifuatazo: PhD in Education, Masters in Theology, Bachelors of Arts and Communication, Diploma in Law, Certificate in Counseling Psychology. Tunafundisha TVET courses kama vile ICT, Diploma in Teacher Education. Tunafundisha lugha ya Kifaransa na Kijerumani. Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi katika anwani inquiries@tangaza.ac.ke au tupige simu kwa nambari 0728 22204724 au 0711713910. Unaweza kututembelea katika chuo chetu mji wa Karen, jiji kuu la Nairobi, Lang'ata Road. Tangaza University, kuelimisha akili, kugeuza mioyo na kubadili maisha. Eje Nensoko TV, Oboroso Bumugusi.
Karibu naende mwanchumo ligerelia iritoendera kwemanya mange asobotko bwabono emirobire yabatambe asensemo ya Garissa nigo yagendera buna butambe kurwa ubunchirili obosombi nemirobire ende asaba menye banseme yubago kero murembe oyobogo kwenekirwa aseri tukeri gokorobekana kwagenderete.
We as the people, neither locals ya Garissa Township neither Northeastern Province, hatuwezi fanya maandamano. Maandamano kweli it's under our constitution, lakini kwa nini hatuwezi fanya maandamano? Because maandamano inafanywa kwa madhumuni fulani, lakini currently hatuwezi fanya maandamano kwa vile sioni kitu yoyote ya kufanyia maandamano. Na tunasema ya kwamba nchi yetu ya Kenya ndio kubwa kuliko sisi, na tukifanya maandamano, mama mboga, mwenye biashara, haribifu ya town, interest ya nchi ya Kenya vile inaharibika.
Mimi naunga mkono waliodhulumiwa, na nasema Wakenya wako na haki na maandamano lazima ifanywe. Si mokozi, si kwamba wamedhulumiwa na tunajua, na wale wameua tunaona, tunasema lazima damu zao zilipwe. Ya pili tunasema serikali waisimamishe, hata sio sahihi. Wakati wa KANU pia kuna mara tumefanya tukahubiri, serikali ikakataa, kijana mmoja akapigwa risasi. Ile kitu yuko tumeshindwa tuona sisi wa Kenya kwamba Kenya si wote, we are equal, which means we don't have a right democracy. Ndio inasababisha dhulma inakuja. Tunasema serikali isamishe dhulma na wasitende kuue tena mtu mwingine.
Hakika tumesikia kuhusu maandamano ambayo inaendelea nchini Kenya, sana sana katika mji mkuu wa Nairobi. Sisi hapa Garissa hatujashuhudia yale maandamano kwa vile tunajaribu kujishughulisha na hali ya kutafuta riziki, kwa vile sisi ni vijana na tuna familia dogo. Pia inabidi tujiepushe na yale maandamano kwa vile iwapo utajihusisha nayo pengine yatakuelekeza mahali ambapo haitafaa, ama pengine utapoteza muda wako pale. Lakini pia hatusemi kwamba maandamano si halali. Maandamano iko sawa, kwa vile kulingana na vile hali ilivyo, maisha imekuwa ngumu kidogo, imetufinya kama sisi wafanyikazi. Mafuta imepanda, iwapo bei ya mafuta itapanda, bei ya bidhaa zingine pia zitapanda, na hiyo kwa mwananchi wa kawaida kama sisi inakuwa ina changamoto kidogo. Kwa hivyo ombi letu ni kwamba serikali itilie maanani shughuli ya kupunguza bei ya mafuta kidogo, kwa vile hiyo itarahisisha uchukuzi wa bidhaa kutoka mji mkuu kufika Garissa na miji mingine, na hakika tutashukuru.
We want to assure you, public, that wherever you are, we will continue amplifying your voices. Long live Congress, long live! Long live! Long live Congress, long live! Long live Congress, long live! Long live Congress, long live! Long live!
Asense mwende munyekero gubwikia kia Jubilee Vincent Kemosi Mugaka nigakwandire igoro yokubikwa kwa ibyaramu n'abanyanyimbo abo igoro botuko kagukwanira habararia nigatebire muna tabwate mu rubiri ndi bwensi bwo gusegeta abananchi ukokora ukorobekana litiko lya rero nigo bono atebire kubwate kwa ene nchira yemo yogusiarero mu gusio bwoba egento boy gatebire timu ya yonsi nige era chikubikumukia erikwene kibune serikali eregeti terikoirana na inde oburayi obubore mutwe wetera buna niga serikali ya kongiria magima ya Kenya abo asomo wakili Clifford Mbeta Kefa Mugaka asensemo yabo na barabwo bagikiri getambukero ekyo ky'abanyanyimbo bayimogetie
isababu yoko mbwata ekero nababoria ibante bingadi tukoria igoro na chietari sironga asabana bare ko graduate bechikore cheto erindegerenga kwana mangana yoko tema kureta bagusiamo ngakwana mangana yogo sugumo morayo ito Fredo Kengo Matiangi mutwe inge kina kikiaba gechetie esa udina tebete nga Fredo Kengo Matiangi nere ugochikobo president yaito ekero naba bodi nki bakombwatera ondete yontebya ibante binga baitwe instructions kurugoro bambwate erindegere ntige kubanga amandamano ayeri tukoria rero na inchi abantu baminto mandamano andete yo nabangete naba Kenya bono iga asibaikire muntu ndete yo oraba banga amandamano aba Kenya baamwire bono iga asibaikire ngagochimotuga iga egento kiraba konye no gosoka erindegere kwirwanira na kie kyuri tukoria rero aba Kenya asibare baisokirie erindegere kwinyora abana bari baitetwe asemya kebere yaitire na inche kintaga tokote abantu bamito bagusiye ese igibuneye erororo gotosiarero bwoba intwe buna bagusiya abantu baminto mumaete intuntu anya gwakirumatitiri na ende tuamwire kwa kauri moja gwansira rituko lya rero ese igieri konye tubegete korange serikali yeye yo mu sikoyo William Ruto ya rurororo ngochitore komento mokia mara kabere mara gatatu erinde korange serikali ya rurororo kiagera ne serikali ya changindira ba Kenya.
When you assume that somebody is going to create chaos, when you imagine that is going to create chaos, and then you do not have even an iota of evidence, you do not have anything to show that he has actually committed any offense, not by speech, not by action, not by mobilizing, not by calling people, then there's something wrong. And this cannot be acceptable. We cannot allow the government to keep on threatening people because you have decided to take a stand over a different position.
Amangana yoko nyago tisa abantu engaki yarire inkibago chira butukombako murange mugaso muri statement yake kwa tali criminal
abasaya baito bagusi timo baisago chikorara bado ni mapambano abarayi baito bachakire koligi bune bimoni ingotene nabo siongo teba iga abantu baito bagusi timo rara tosabira abarayi baito totenene na barabwo
Mwenyekero gobwekigancha kia CDF yensemu yebunge ya Barabwime County ya Nyamira nigo sokire ose county Nyamira au kurukuna nere Councilor Dennis Rosana nige sokire na kugikiria mangana abwatu kwa somo tanda muno yo kurigekero kibo bunga senseme yo murara kebaso aso ogote babuna obisite yo ya gachetwe no nyene budget itetwe yo bwaga chobwo kago sanga na barali mu basorero imekenyoro kiomono no kiabanyoru isiko ya magacho bisi umugambi we location ya Bonyarorande nigatebere buna ose nigatebera mangana yo ni gare ayoborimo na inde ni gare ngete kwegerie gasi yabo asensemo yebunge yo koringana abanyakenyero nigo baenekirie na nigo baenekirie kobao ko bisi yo abu asabato biro batebiro bisi yo nere egasi bono
alia so lia chiete garero location ya bete divided na lina tuanyora chief tabuga di office tokanyora akomboeto office kero tuare goita mangana ye pasali omweshimiwa kama promise nga madam goika moroseli office igona kigira ro kitua chire gaiga tororengo bumaene office ye nero oseteyo na inje kuruga ali office ntuaro keteti office ye gachibesa 1.2 echo kwagacho office ye iga pake ikasi ye ikire bono iga and the next budget tumana gobeka mangana a tiles ne ceiling igena ariko sababa na siasa bachire bakobori chikura ekero kobori chikura tabo bumaene onye tagete komanye miradi ariko chororo amutari kire project arorenga kire project na kolire iko bono mwana uri ogukwana tamanye dino ene kya gukwana enjeraga ndete gotara tigatare buya ntuntu ko mukani lakini tigarugo bumaene
nkorokwa Ruto Chenge
nincho mochifu Bunyarorande location eyere Kiabonyoru division ne constituency yane Borabu constituency konya ni gongo tumio obisi ngwa kana chibesa kero motienyi naende taikiranete eyuntale gutiga bintu biri necessary documents na vital documents obisi at least 95% ya elre naende ningendete konye tumia
Asama litangoro Dennis Onchaba Aruonka incho mu assistant chief esa location ane no monono obisi ikona gukwanwa no ayaga chira iga so monono sub location ikona intunto gokete na buna obisi aga chiru seitanga konye ersa obisi tu gwate nyageita saa zingine ngagerete nga utate ekoba aso obisi ya nyageita ere Bunyarorande chache neje Bunyarorande location ikona nche ngogete mono
bono nche ngosinywa obutantanu bwabete oyuki ari kurigia ariga turi Bunyarorande chache nege bona Bunyarorande sublocation bono ogotebo maene obisi ari kurigia eri bono gotatiga tamanyete ikiagara bono chikobeke binte mitandao nenda koreta yani amangana amange
una mokorigia liga moroche nga amagacho nagenderete naenda magacha ndaerire omweshimiwa Patrick Osera nyari ka korega siyu
Asense mwende serikali ya kaunti ya Nyamira nigobono ya chakire bene okungura makori ase ward ya Itibo eri kwene kibuna chipara ngwete kachire kagukwana engakiyo guchako murubiri obwo kungura chipara ase ward ya Itibo mu MCA Lameck Square nigaruko bore gochia saba menye bense meyo kubwaterana eri gwekirania magendero ao ase ward yeyo ya Itibo
oserie para that is why na inje nate bana let me give you the first priority erinde to chake korosie pare yoiga une korosi guna gwika maate agende mpaka ya esimuin gagukura kuwia esi na ndaturumboke ati ye China Nyamauro aitana na chibonya koni eji chionsipi ebirero birikonya bagutamira bikoreki biere igobono rero omochifu ito nachaga tu expected yo mugavana ache lakini tuanyoro mugavana nabwate cabinet meeting mbare bararutira magena sana unokoro mweshimiwa akonya gutungaina lakini egento tuatebaniri obo maenena lero ebinte bingo chakabire egento kende na batebeti chiro tebwati cho nabekire chibesa chiokoini shua tuatware modern toilet erie nene kabisa no muntu uragani no kuragirira imuragiriro so I will ensure na procurement ne korubwango erinde cho eye eike korosigu kuna togo chaka procurement yo mutienyo kiandaiga lakini chipara chirochio ngukura na tore nacho
igo ndio twatomire no mugavana kurobisia gavana togoje korora bune birakita bigo chaka korosi chipara chia Itibo ward mumai to mugavana birakita bya bigorto mwakoria last year bigachake gaskoru Nyamaiya tugacha Bomwagamo tugacha Kiabonyoru tukaenda Bokeira Mawawa tuachira kari Kerenyo bono tuikirega Itibo imaite mwaremereiri engake yons lakini ndendo mugavana bunare una promise ti ate kiro mondo re Nyamira county ngonyorare e service ye para akitu achirega iga kurwabisi mbwate team yaba engineer bagaro chipara na bari bakurie chi machine mbiachire kajire gas because machine abe konya yanyorire epanja kosi yanyorire shida yatoko muntu naro kurigere rwango egara gas yagenda
echane chiko bagegweta nanga ni institute yaitu Nyamira National Polytechnic abana bachiko bakwenda ku school buya ina security bana basikale bakomnyoka yakende kyabeira bono salama nechiko bengiya
njeni gonda akandiana na somwesi migwito atareta ile chi machine igaiga kutoroser chibara tuaremereirie lakini okorira mayo toreteire chimashini igaiga naenda tutebera mangana maya ango toroseria ri chiro kotoroseria ri bakano ni chicho
Asense mwende murai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto lero nigaikirana ase ensemo ya Bomas abwo ase aratiro bwagachi bwa Bomas International Conference Center abo asenkwane aye atebrebuna ekero kiribwaga chobura chikoera ni gobone nyombe yera chikutume kwa kwariganie bikaro au korwa na mono ase ensemo ya Afrika ya mocha na Afrika ya gati boigo enyombera chikoba eyenge nchimono ase boigera neri abamireria baye abo korengana na barabu baro chena ayota konyara wekirana korende bono nigo bwaga chobwo boisira koera.
Kuna hoteli nataka tujenge hapa. Si ndio? Hii kabla ukimaliza hii conference kuna hoteli 3, kwanza si hoteli moja. Kuna hoteli 3 hapa. Bado mko na kazi hapa. Ngoja kidogo. Si ndio? Sasa hii hoteli hapa tunataka mkimaliza hapa mnaingia kwa hoteli. Kuna hoteli 2 hapa, kuna mall. Tunataka kujenga mall kubwa hapa. Sawa? Alafu kabla mtatoka hapo tunataka kujenga arena pia. Alafu mkimaliza tunaenda airport. Unasema tuendelee namna hiyo? Basi hiyo ndio kazi mimi. Unajua hii boma zimepangiwa miaka mingi. Lakini nilisema juu chini kulia kushoto mbele na nyuma hii tujenge. Si ndio hii? Si wale jamaa walikuwa wanasema ati haiwezi jengwa. Wanasema ati Mungu amesema hii boma sio hii. Kwani tumezungumzia miaka ngapi hii boma? Ni karibu 25 years. Kwa hii mjengo si ni 1.5 years. Ni wachana nao. Ati wana agenda na mpango na sera na akili. Sasa mambo ni wamekwama. Anyway, so hii ni ya muhimu, si namna hiyo. Na unajua tulikubaliana ya kwamba Kenya lazima tupange vile vijana wengi watapata nafasi ya ajira. Na ndio sababu tukafanya program kubwa ya housing. Tukafanya program kubwa ya markets. Tukafanya program kubwa ya hostels. Program ndio hii ya Bomas. Ile stadium ya Talanta tunajenga ingine 28. Hata leo nimekuwa na watu wa Turkana mpaka Lodwar tunajenga stadium. Ni mnanielewa? Stadium ilikuwa inajulikana tu hapa Nairobi nini, nikasema hii Kenya lazima tutembee, tukitembea pamoja. Kila sehemu ya Kenya itembee. Na ndio tumekubaliana ya kwamba hatutaki siasa ya chuki, hatutaki ubaguzi, hatutaki ukabila, tunataka tuungane tuwe pamoja. Si ndio bwana? Hata nyinyi mnakubali tuachane na si ndio? Sasa wewe jamani painter. Naona mtu ya rangi. Si ndio?
Biamano ase okubwatia mayase nchira yubekiranu asenseyemo ya barotko ya Afrika ya moche na wikiraga bano twikira omwere kolende chinsa isato ningirane na yanda mange toskare ne TV yago endera kubwatia meroberende yatigera sobotko bwabono wika chinsa isato Eliane Ishmael Mogere.